Using insert statement to move a bulk of records from one table to another. To do that, this is the SQL statement we have in the lecture, which is insert statement into the temp job table, and we have the columns specified, and we're using a select statement to select the records from the source table to insert it into the new table. We can use this SQL statement, select star from user tables. This is kind of a data dictionary table to see if we have such a table before we create it. So temp job, we don't have it. It's not between the tables we have. So there is a quick way to create a table. So the details of the creating a table will be covered in the DDL sections, the data definition section, which is going to be covered in this course as well. For now, let's use this quick command to create a temporary table to test how we can insert data from one table to another. So this statement is provided in the lecture as well, and it's a create table name, temp jobs, as select star from the jobs table where 1 equal to, because select star from jobs will return all the records, but I'm adding a condition to make it false, so no records will be returned. So if I run this SQL statement, table temp job created. So if I select from this table, select star from. Now, before we select from this table, if I run the select statement from the user tables data dictionary table, I can see the table is already created and it's there in the database, temp job. So now, just to make sure the table is empty, we select star from temp job, the table we just created, select star without anywhere condition, so no records returned in the SQL output. This means that no records in the table. We need to insert multiple records in this table, and we want to source it from the jobs table. And this is an example how you can move data from one table to another. So it's not necessarily to always perform a single insert statement like as we explained in the previous lecture. You can use a select statement to select the records you want to move or copy. Actually, it's copy, not move, because the records will stay in the original table, in the source table, but a new copy will be created in the destination table. If we run the select statement from the jobs table, it will return all the records. You can add a where clause as you wish. Like here we have minimum salary greater than 10,000. Or you can add any other condition. If you don't want to include a condition, you just run it and all these records will be copied into the new table. We start with insert statement, insert into, specify the table name that we want to insert the data into. Then we specify the column names. The order is important, the number of columns is important, and the data type is important. So here, basically we're including all the columns. Then in the select statement, we have the same columns. And now run the insert statement. This is the select statement that we're gonna run, meaning 3 records will be inserted in this table. So let's run the select star before we run the insert statement, no records. So let's run the insert statement, insert into temp job, select this attributes, job ID, job title, minimum and maximum salary attributes from jobs table, where clause saying minimum salary greater than or equal 10,000. We expect the 3 records to be inserted into the temp job table. If we run this SQL statement and we got this message, 3 rows inserted. If we run the SQL now from the table, now we can see 3 records exist in this table. So, let's do this. Let's do a rollback and change the where clause. Rollback complete. Run the select statement again. No records. Let's insert all the rows. If we run the insert statement now, it gives us like 21 rows inserted. If we run the select statement from the temp job table, now we can see that all the records, which is 21 records, have been inserted into this table. Now I can run the commit command to make these records permanent in this table. This is how you insert records from other table. You build a select statement to return the records you want to insert. Then you add the insert to statement into the destination table. Make sure the number of columns, the order of columns, and the data types of the columns are considered when you perform the insert statement.